Here we come to the modernized elevator at Centeq Building B at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. This is a SmartRise mod, formerly ThyssenDover from 2000. Button does not go off till the elevator door is all the way open. I want to hear that motor one more time without the jolt. It's got two beepers on the floor indicator. Innovation Prestige fixtures. The cab has definitely been redone on this one. Honestly enough, I kind of regret filming the one at Building A, because I wish I could have seen the original Dover Impulse before that got modded. Modernized by Nouveau elevator, which is a French term for new. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.